Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really tough and serious topic, parvovirus in dogs, specifically what you can feed them and how to encourage them to eat. This can be an incredibly scary time for any pet parent, so let's walk through it together. First and foremost, a parvo diagnosis requires immediate veterinary care. This video is meant to supplement your vet's advice, not replace it. Your vet is your #1 resource, and their treatment plan is critical for your dog's survival. Parvo causes severe gastrointestinal distress, leading to vomiting, diarrhea, and a dangerous loss of appetite and fluids. The primary goal of treatment is supportive care, which includes managing hydration and nutrition. So when your vet gives you the green light to start offering food, what should you give? The key is to offer something bland, easily digestible, and gentle on their recovering gut. Think of it like a recovery diet for a person with a stomach bug. Plain, boiled, boneless, skinless chicken is a classic choice. It's high in protein and very palatable. Another great option is plain, cooked white rice. It's a simple carbohydrate that's easy on the stomach. You can mix a small amount of the boiled chicken with the rice. Other options your vet might suggest include lean ground turkey, also boiled and drained of all fat, or even low-fat cottage cheese or plain, unsweetened yogurt in very small amounts, as some dogs tolerate it well. There are also prescription veterinary diets specifically designed for gastrointestinal recovery. These are formulated to be highly digestible and contain the right balance of nutrients to support healing. Your vet can recommend the best one for your dog's specific situation. Now let's talk about the hard part, getting them to eat. A dog with parvo feels incredibly sick and nauseous, so their appetite will likely be non-existent. You have to be patient and persistent. Don't just put a bowl of food down and walk away. Try hand feeding. Sometimes, the warmth and comfort of your hand can make all the difference. Offer tiny, pea-sized amounts at a time. The goal isn't a full meal, but just to get a little bit of nutrition into their system. You can also try making the food more appealing. A little bit of low-sodium chicken or beef broth, with no onion or garlic, can be poured over the food to add moisture and a tempting aroma. Gently warming the food can also enhance its smell, making it more enticing. Remember, a dog's sense of smell is powerful, and if something smells good, they're more likely to try it. Another technique is to create a sort of food slurry or gruel. You can blend the boiled chicken and rice with some water or broth to make it almost liquid. This is easier for them to lap up and requires less effort than chewing. You can even try offering this from a syringe, without the needle, of course. Just gently squirt a tiny amount into the side of their mouth, giving them plenty of time to swallow. But be very careful with this method to avoid aspiration, which is when food goes into the lungs. It's best to ask your vet to demonstrate the proper technique first. Hydration is just as, if not more, important than food. If your dog isn't drinking, you can offer ice chips or unflavored electrolyte solutions for children, like Pedialyte, but always dilute it with water. A 50-50 mix is a good starting point. Again, check with your vet on the exact amount and type. Dealing with parvo is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be good moments and bad moments. Celebrate every small victory, whether it's a single lick of food or a sip of water. Your patience, love, and diligent care, combined with your vet's medical expertise, give your dog the best possible chance at a full recovery. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet care advice. We're wishing you and your furry friend all the best on this tough journey. See you next time.